It's Sunday, September 3 here in the Philippines at hahanapin natin ngayon yung very first feature ng The Property Geek sa Manila Bulletin newspaper. So may intention talaga ako na pumunta ng Olo Home para sa mga appliances na i-deliver tomorrow. So sabi ko, why not maghanap na rin ng newspaper dito sa area. If napansin nyo sa mga previous posts, we got invited by Manila Bulletin to contribute on their property living section twice a month. And I'm very excited and still feel surreal na makita yung ating The Property Geek brand and makapag-share and give value sa newspaper. So ito na nga nakahanap ako ng newspaper dito, and this is available nationwide. Again, I am contributing twice a month. If you're living abroad, you can check their Facebook page, Property Living Manila Bulletin or mb.com.ph.